It's real and it's everywhere. No one is safe from it. Whether it's in person or on social media, bullying exists. The effects of bullying transcend the hurtful comments and the gossip and the attacks. We see it now more than ever today. It leads to anxiety, depression, self-doubt, and it leaves deep, nasty scars. Beasley is a rescue, but he has a lifelong debilitating disease. When we're both at our lowest, we've found strength in each other to get back on our feet. And although he's not the perfect dog to many, he puts his heart on the table to get the job done. He's my champion with or without the trophy. You know, if a dog's not affected by bullying, then you shouldn't be either. And it's with that mentality that bullying loses its power. Meanness is simply a sign of weakness. Your value isn't determined by others. Your worth is determined by you.
Get ready, 'cause here I come. Gonna move the mountain. Gonna touch the sky. Stand in the middle of a hurricane. Looking right in the eye. Ain't nothing gonna hold me down. Get ready, 'cause here I come.